Hi, everyone.
Hey, thank you so much, everybody, for posting your catching on Seesaw and for telling us what you've been doing to stay active.
We love seeing it. Remember, as you are working on your catching, you start with tossing and catching with two hands. When you're able to do that 5 times in a row, then try tossing a little bit higher and catching with two hands. And when you're able to do that 5 times in a row,
Then try and toss from one hand to the other.
but remember, if one of those is hard for you, just keep practicing the one that's hard and work on that until it gets easier. Now, that's what we were working on last week, and we want you to keep working on catching again this week. But this week, we also want you to work on some underhand throwing.
And when you're going to be doing some underhand throwing, a couple of things to remember. You want that hand, your favorite hand that holds your stuffy in Mrs. Brink's case, you want that hand down low, kind of by your knee. You want to have your toes pointing to where you're going to be tossing. And here's the tricky part. You want to step with your opposite foot. And so if you look at Mrs. Brink, see how it goes diagonal across her body, that stuffy does? Yeah, that's the foot you would want to step with, your opposite foot. So hand low, step, toss, just like that.
Now, when you're working on your underhand throw, we have some ways that would be fun to help you practice. You can find some different things from around your house to use as targets. You can use plastic cups. You could use an old cereal box, or you could use a laundry basket. Now, you can set up your targets. Laundry basket. Aim this down a little more so you can see. There's Lucy, she's watching too. Here's a cup. Here's a cereal box, and I'm gonna practice my throwing, and I'm gonna aim at my target. So the biggest one is the laundry basket, so that's the easiest. I'm gonna start there. I step with my opposite. Yay! If that's hard, you can keep practicing that, or you can move on to a more challenging thing like the laundry basket, the cereal box. And the hardest one would be the cup. Yay! Those are some things we thought of. I'm sure you can think of other ways to practice your underhand throwing and other targets to toss to.
Now, remember, while you've been practicing that underhand throwing, keep telling us about it and showing us on Seesaw, but also keep getting exercise every day and then show us or tell us on Seesaw about that as well.
Thank you so much. We can't wait to hear from you again this week. Have a great week.
Bye.